First one is the smart surveillance hardware, and also we could provide it analysis algorithm, and also we could offer the smart surveillance platform based on the different project requirement. So firstly, what we can do? So about the total pixel level, we could offer the range of the pixel from 83 to 418 million pixel, and also we have a very strong customized ability about the camera. So the camera could be 1 to 2 panoramic modules with 10 to 56 long focal detail models. So all things could be customized based on the specific project requirement. And also we could offer the very high image quality, make sure the image could be megapixel level without any distortion. And also about the output ability, about the streaming, we could support different kinds of the streaming output. And also we could offer the million pixel level panoramic video streaming on the big screen to display. And also we support multi-user function. We could support different 20 users in different places to view the whole system interface at the same time. And they can freely select, zoom, pan, reset at the same time. And about the AI functions, we could do automatically detect and track multiple different types of target, like people, vehicle, ship, airplane. Yeah. About the user experience. So the delay of the zooming in details on any area, we could do it, make sure it's less than 300 milliseconds. Sorry. And about the AI abilities, we could support the automatic detection, identification, tracking for a large number of the target at the same time. And also we have very big the product family. So they can be divided into 4 major tabs. As you can see here, we have the GMC for the ultra large scene. We have the GMW for the ultra wide coverage scenarios. And we also have ultra high definition. It could reach 400 million pixel level. And also we have infrared array camera for the all-weather condition. About specific application scenario, for the land area, we could deploy our product in the public infrastructure, airport runway, the port of the entry, and the seaport. And for the water surface scenario, we could put our camera in the coastal defenses and in the tunnel. And for the passage, a very long depth scenario, we could deploy our project in the event like marathon, and in the highway, in the customers, in the border defenses scenarios. And for air, low altitude surveillance, we could do UAV detection and bird detection, airplane detection. Yeah. This is the case we did in the Shenzhen. This we call it as the Shenzhen Bay Sports Center surveillance project. And we deploy we deploy 2 cameras in this project to realize the key area surveillance and the real-time people counting and flow control. And we integrate with the normal camera, the dome camera or box camera to do the surveillance work in the main passage. And also we could do the blacklist. So compare the personal information with the police database. So now I'm gonna share a video about this project. Wait a second. So can you see this video for now?
Yes, I see.
Okay. So this is the camera we put inside of this sports center. And for this project, our client do not have very specific pixel requirement about the people. So they just want have a whole view about the inside of this court of this center. So we just put 118 degrees cameras inside of this center to make sure it can have a whole view about this. Yeah, and now we switch into the camera outside of the center to watch the main passage and main road around this center. And this is the AI function. We could, and as you can see here in the right top here, it is the real-time people counting and vehicle counting. And you could zoom anywhere, any area in this screen to watch the more detailed image.
Sean, which languages support your software now?
Now we just support the Chinese and English.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Sean, but we can try to support Russian in the future, right?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, so this is basic function. And as you can see, there are several tags in the center of this screen, and it integrates with the camera in some place. So you could direct click this tag to link to the video about the normal camera to watch different angle about the center. Yeah, and this is the list about all the camera inside of inside the center about the parking lot and some playground. Basically, all normal camera could be linked into our system. So you could have one interface to manage all the cameras. And this is as you can see, there are dates. There are several dates in the left. So you can, if you want to check the record of the video, you could click the date you want to check. So it will play the video in that date. And you also could do the same operation like the real time. Yeah, so this is about this project. And let's back to the presentation. And this is the project we did also in the Shenzhen airport. So to watch the airplane land and off, and also it could realize several functions like the control area. And you could draw any area in this screens. So when some target or some vehicle enter into this area, it will trigger alarm. And this is the project we did in the port of the entry between the China and the Mongolia, and it's checked all this vehicle and border crossing people. Yeah, so there are several details windows below to show the area the client would be interested in. And also this is about the alarm record here. So you could check the record about the area, which area triggered the alarm, and when it happened. And this is several cases about the product we deploy in the land scenario, like the border between China and Vietnam. We put one. We cooperate with the police in the Yunnan, and we deploy one camera to watch the border area. And also we deploy the six array cameras in the Beijing Winter Olympic Games, and in the different national stadium. So to make sure to make sure the flow control is safe. And this is the project we did in the Beijing West Railway Station. And as you can see, we deploy 180 degrees cameras to cover the square in front of the station. And this is about the coast defenses. This is a project we did in the Xiamen. We deploy 3 cameras along with this coast to watch the whole sea area, to do the ship detection and statistic. And you could zoom in any area to watch the detail images and detailed video. And also we could integrate with PTZ camera to zoom into very detail to watch what happened. And also the PTZ camera's video could be recorded. Yeah, this is about the Xiamen project. And also we could do in the environmental protections. This is about the dolphin production we did in the Nanjing to detect the dolphin in this river area. And about event, we did a lot of the marathon event to do the people counting, to make sure the flow control is very safe, not be very crowded. And also we can deploy our product in the highway scenarios. As you can see, the product tape we deploy in the different scenario is different. Because in the highway, as you can see, it is very long depth scenario. So we need to put different focal length units in the cameras, make sure the specific area could be covered by the suitable focal length unit. So that the whole scenarios will be very clear from near to the far place. And all these are the different application about the AI detection. And also we can do the border defense. So basically it's like the same scenario like the highway. It's very long depths. You need different focal length unit. And this project we did in the Shenyang, and we just need 3 units with different focal lengths to cover like near 1 kilometers highway. And this we did in the railway station. We just use 5 units to cover the whole railway station. And also we could do the UAV detection. For now, the normal UAV detection is by the radar. So you could only see the red spot in your screen, and you can not see what it looks like. And for our panoramic surveying solution, you could track more than one UAV at the same time, and also you could track all this UAV at the same time. And also we have the infrared. We have infrared cameras, so you could track the UAV in the pure dark environment.
What is distance parameters? How long you could recognize drones and parameters of drones in centimeters or in meters?
You mean what the distance about UAV?
Distance, yes, and parameters of drones. For example, we have a task to recognize drones with parameters 35 on 35 centimeters. On distance more than 2 kilometers. If your solution could
Yeah, I understand. So basically, it depends on the size of the UAV. So, for example, for the normal size of UAV, it would be 60 centimeters multiplied 60 centimeters. We can do, and also it depends on the focal length unit of the camera we deploy. So for the maximum, we could do like more than 2 kilometers detection about the UAV. For the 60
distance centimeters, on which distance? You could repeat.
More than 2 kilometers.
More than 2 kilometers, okay.
Yeah. And also we could do the bird detection near the airplane. You know, the dangerous, very dangerous if the bird flies around the airport. Yeah, it will destroy the airplane. So we actually apply our cameras near the airplane to track the bird. This is a project we did in the.
You could wait to send me videos with bird in airport.
So you
or
want
maybe
the
video? Send me this presentation.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is the project. This is the competition about the UAV detections organized by the Chinese Army, and we joined this competition and win the first prize about the detection of the air drone. And this is a laboratory park. We deploy 4 cameras around this park. Make sure it's 660 degrees covered. And about our system empowerment, we can integrate with the existing box camera and dome cameras. And we can also use, if it is possible, we can use the existing surveillance server to deploy our system. And just added our camera and mosaic server, we could build a whole platform, just one interface to manage all surveillance devices. Make sure it could be compatible, and also it has very strong integration abilities, and could empower the existing system to have the big pictures and more smart, and it will have a good experience. So as you can see, there's a picture. For now, most of the surveillance room, it will be like this, filled with a lot of screens. So for the operators, if they want to track one target, it will move from the one screen to on no screens. For now, it will have the whole picture. You could have a view about the people movement, vehicle movement from